I saw this on an ER show once. Okay, there was this young couple that came in, and the girlfriend had had like hiccups for like the last 2 or 3 days in a row, and the boyfriend was about to pull his hair out. And they kept looking up these different ideas, you know, but they came up with one final solution. And the doctor said, take both hands. I'm holding my phone with the other, and you put them on your eyebrow and count to 60, and it should alleviate the hiccups. And I want you to know, I've tried this several times, and by golly, it works. I just want to throw that one out there. To me, and I've passed along to several people too, and they've tried and said, yeah, no doubt.